शिरगावचे जात्रेत घडिल्ल्या दुर्घटनेत बळी पडिल्ल्यांक सरकार न्याय दितले तशेंच फॅक्ट फायंडिंग समितीच्या अहवालाचो अभ्यास करून फावो ती कारवाय करतले अशें राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी सांगलें। राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी बिरेस्तारा दनपारा शिरगावचे श्री लयराई देवीचे दर्शन घेतले। ह्या वेळार तांचे वांगडा तांची घरकान्न तशेंच मयेचे आमदार प्रेमेंद्र शेट हाजीर आशिल्ले। शिरगावचे जात्रे वेळार जाल्ले दुर्घटने उपरांत राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांची ही पहिलीच भेट।
There was no occasion to go through the report. Anyway, by considering true facts, based on true facts, I am sure that government will take further action, and that action should be extending justice to all, and 2 lakhs rupees for people who lost life and for injured persons already declared. When I visited the houses, I came to know that, and report. Today I read that the president also didn't get a copy, that I read in his newspaper. We will look into that aspect, and as far as government is concerned, we have not reached the time up to that stage of looking into the report aspects. I hope government administrators and level committees all will together look into all this, and everybody is interested in this Almighty Devi and Vishwasi's disciples, so that give importance to that.
Help something you are going to provide who was injured, who was already victim.
Declared, and after 12 days after that, they will try to liberalize the condition. Whenever government money is giving to somebody, so many inquiries and other things. This is I requested the government also.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV।